Hi, I'm Erin with Homeschool Connections, and today we're here with Natalie LaPierre. Natalie, great to have you here.
It's good to be with you, Erin.
Yes, and tell us about what you teach and the courses that you are working with here at Homeschool Connections.
I teach French. So now this year we have 3 levels
Three
of
levels of
French.
French. Awesome. So what is the name? Is it like 1, 2, 3 or level 1, level 2? Is there a special name to it
One,
or?
two, three. French 1, French 2, French 3.
All right.
And
So
this week was our first session. Everybody was afraid French 3 would be all French. Fear not.
So the
we
message to parents is that these courses aren't as hard as you think.
No. They're, even though there are 3 levels, they're all introductory level
Okay,
because it takes so many hours to learn a new language.
it
So,
does.
yeah.
Absolutely does. Tell me what do you think, what is your class like? What is your teaching style like for someone who's watching this and they're thinking, gosh, I think I want to take French.
Yes. Well,
What is the class like?
this year, I have reorganized it a little bit so the students have a pre-recorded grammar lesson. So I don't teach it live in class because it was making the class time too much of a lecture
Right.
and no time to talk. So be ready to practice, test your mic, come on with your headset and ready to turn on your mic because we do speak in French in class. Everybody is asked to say their name, the French style, like Abigail is Abigail in French. And,
Okay.
and start little steps. Bonjour, comment ça va? Je m'appelle, and so on. And then this week we'll talk about sports. So, j'aime jouer au. I like to play the sport or
Awesome.
the other. So it's very doable, I think. And we try. I try to stay in a small vocabulary bundle so they can become familiar with it and start
Good.
using it more rather than do too much and then get lost.
So it sounds like the way that you've put it together, it's easier to learn. And it sounds, you being a native French speaker, it sounds like it's much more about learning to converse and use the information well in real life. Is that
Yes.
right?
Yes, because reading and writing is the easiest level of learning a new language. And so when I'm gone on your own, the student can read as much as they want and they can
Right.
research the vocabulary as much as they want. What they need to know is certain grammar gems that will make the sentences uh, give the meaning to the sentences, and then they'll be able to figure out what the writer wants to share. But speaking, if you don't have somebody who can help you with the accent, the
Right.
pronunciation, or if you cannot hear it spoken
Mm,
at your level, that's the problem. Is when you're learning, you go out in a French environment, it's no fun. And
right.
because everybody just runs with their conversation
Yeah.
and you can you cannot find a way to plug in. But
Right.
in the classroom setting, it's very slow at the students' levels pace.
Yeah.
I repeat, I don't get frustrated.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah.
So it boosts a little bit your confidence so you can try.
Awesome. So if a parent is watching this, a student is watching this, and they think this is a sounds like a good class, what is the best way to get information about this class that's written down? Would that be in the catalog, on the website? What's the
I
best way
think
to do that?
so. I think the cat, all those that you mentioned, if they go
Mhm.
on the Homeschool Connection website and look for foreign language, they will be able to find the description of what we hope to accomplish in that classroom.
Awesome. And if they want to get a hold of you personally and email with you,
Yeah.
what's a good email to get a hold of you?
hsc.natalie, NATHALIE @gmail.com. All lowercase.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, thank you for being here. If you're watching this and this sounds like something you want to get in, go ahead and, as Natalie said, check out what we have in the catalog. And we hope to see you in class.
Thank you.
Thank you.